Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, I am so delighted that you are here. I wanted to come on here real quick and do a project share. I am getting together with some friends for a little Christmas party. I wanted to give them a little gift. And so what I made is I made some coasters, and these are all done out of fabric scraps. So let me show you what you will need for these. And these are super fast and easy to make. So you will need 5 pieces, and this measures 4.5 by 4.5. So the finished piece is 4 inches. And you have 5 pieces, and you have one that you keep flat, and then the rest of the pieces you fold in half. And you could probably also do, let's see, like maybe a 5 by 5 or a 5.5 by 5.5, a 6. You could probably do that. You could probably even go bigger and make these like for your table. And that way, if you want to put hot stuff on it, you could probably do that. And so anyways, back to this. Let me go ahead and show you how these are set up. So you take this, and this is, again, a 4.5 by 4.5 inch square. And then I have 2 pieces that coordinate, so like this right here, and then 2 of the other pieces could be anyone, but again, these are fabric, so you go fabric scraps. So you go ahead and you line these up like this, and with the folded side facing each other. And then you take, again, the folded side are always going to be in the center, and then you go like this. And then the folded side again is going to go right here, and then you fold it like this, and then you pin it all the way around, and then you're going to sew it all the way around. So here is one that is already sewn all the way around, and I am using different threads because I'm trying to use the bobbins that I have, and you're not going to see any of this. So and then once you're here, you go ahead and you trim the corners. So here is this one, and this one already has the corners trimmed. And then the way you you take this, and then you pull everything out just like this, and you punch out the corner. Well, not punch out, but you get like a bone folder or something that you can push the corners out. Let me see, I have this right here, my tweezers, and you just kind of work the corners out like this, and excuse me, and so here you go, and then after this, you just give it a quick press with the iron, and that is it. And then you are done. And how easy was that? And again, it's just 5 pieces of scrap fabric. And here is how I decided to package them up. They have a candy cane right here, and then they have some cookies that they can dip into their hot chocolate, or if they are tea lovers, then they can have some tea right there. So I thought that this was just such a quick, fast, and easy gift. And like I said, it's just a little something. Now, if you don't know how to sew, but you know how to crochet, here is this. Now, I did not make this, but this can also be used instead of like a coaster that's, sewn like that. So, and there's a lot of tutorials on how to make these. You just have to look for one to see what fits your needs. But like I said, I did not make this. And if you don't know how to crochet, and if you don't know how to sew, what you can also do is punch out some paper, and and maybe if you're doing it for Christmas, punch out a smaller circle. I would probably do either a 4-inch or a 3-inch circle, or you could do a 4-inch and then a 3-inch with decorative paper, and then this could be as a coaster. And then if the person is a crafter, they can always end up using it into their crafts. But again, this is just a quick and fast little gift. And if it's not being gifted for Christmas, you can do like I said, this one right here is not a Christmas themed, and so you can make these any time of the year, birthdays, and maybe just change the paper to like a birthday paper or something. And these would not be such a bad idea also to do for craft fairs. So I'm just going to show you a couple of other ones that I made. The fabric right here is a little bit different. And then this one right here is going to a friend that her and I always exchange books. And so that's going to be going to her as a thank you for exchanging books and for being a fellow book reader. And then this one right here is going to another friend, and she loves the color yellow as well as sunflowers, and so that's going to be going to her. And again, back here I have some tea and some hot chocolate. I also do want to mention that this right here was scrap paper that I have had for a long time. It's some Stampin' Up! Paper, and this is just 2 inches, and it's folded over for the back topper. So it's 1 inch on this side and 1 inch on the other side. And the stars right here happen to be these that I bought over at Michael's, and you get 250 pieces. And these are great to have for year round. So you get them, and they are all in the metallic. So you get gold, red, and green. And these can be used for like 4th of July, birthdays, you know, celebrations, all kinds of things. So anyways, I just wanted to share all that with you. And again, you can make back toppers any way you see fit. I hope you, the viewer, have been inspired through this project share. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye.